Today I'm delighted to be joined by the Managing Director at Altech Chemicals, Iggy Tan. Iggy, welcome.
Hi Craig, how are you?
Very well, thank you. Now Iggy, I understand Altech Chemicals has just been given approval of the investment tax allowance incentive by the Malaysian Ministry of Finance. How important is this for Altech Chemicals?
Yes, thanks Craig. Very exciting news this week where our tax incentive has been finally approved by the Malaysian government. So essentially, we don't pay any corporate tax for nearly 10 years, and that is a significant benefit for the project. Now, what the idea of that is the Malaysian government encourages high-tech industries, which is essentially our project, to come to Malaysia to build projects there. And this is part of the tax incentive, and really 10 years of tax-free window for us.
That's an amazing opportunity.
Yes, very exciting news.
Now look, also, just recently you launched a $100 million US equity raising through the German listed company, Altech Advanced Materials. How's that going?
Yeah, so as you know, as part of a funding process, we have a senior debt of 190 million with KfW IPEX Bank. We have a 90 million mezzanine term sheet that's going through its due diligence with Macquarie Bank. And the balance of that is actually about 100 million of equity, a project equity. Now, recently we launched the program of trying to raise that equity through the German market. So we've acquired a publicly listed German company, and the idea is to raise that 100 million through that company, which will then eventually own 49% of the project. So essentially we've sold an option to this company to own 49% of the project, as long as they can raise the 100 million. So the program of raising has just commenced. They've restructured the company. The company is now called Altech Advanced Materials, and the rights issue process has now started. There is a two-phase process, rights issue, and then they will offer it to external shareholders or investors in the second phase, which will probably be in Q1 next year.
Okay, so how long will the whole process take?
Well, hopefully we should close by the end of Q1 or early Q2. But the most important thing, it allows European investors to invest into a German listed company rather than an Australian company. Now, the reason for that is that a lot of investors in Europe can't invest in Australian companies because they don't have the mandate for that. This allows them to invest in a publicly listed German company.
So a very exciting 6 to 12 months coming up for you.
Yes, lots of work, but hopefully we can close the financing for the project.
Well, we look forward to keeping a close eye on it. Thank you so much for coming in, Iggy.
Yep.
We'll talk again soon.
Thank you, Craig.
Thank you.